Boy, you know you make me float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with CurlyMe Hair. CurlyMe Hair sent me over this 18-inch kinky curly wig. I did end up just cutting off the little straggly ends, and I think it looks really pretty. This video is also going to be a giveaway, so make sure you guys leave your comments down below and you'll enter into the giveaways. All the wig videos I'm doing now, I'm going to just give away the wigs to one of you guys that support me, so all you have to do is just leave a comment. My signature comment right now is just like a pink heart, so you could leave your comment with a little pink heart, or you can just leave a pink heart, anything, and you'll be entered. So yeah, I want to show you guys me putting on this wig really quick. Since it's summertime, you don't want to put no glue, you want to save your edges. You guys know I've been on this like no glue kick, and I haven't posted in a month. So if you guys want to tell me like you missed me or something, guys, God is good. Okay. I'm gonna show you guys what came in the packaging, and then we'll get right into the video. I just wanted to do a little intro because putting on the wig is so quick and easy. I just washed the wig and I shampooed and conditioned it. I did not put any extra products in it, and then I bleached the knots. That was it. And then you guys are gonna see me putting on the wig and just tweaking it and making it look like this, and it looks super pretty. And the lace, I put no makeup on the lace. So yeah, this is the packaging that the wig came in. CurlyMe Hair. This is their information on the back. It opens like this. It comes with a hanging assemble thing that you can put your wig on, so when you wash it you put it to dry. And it comes with some nice lashes, wig cap, and then their little information pamphlet. This is all the stuff that comes in the packaging, and if you guys are interested in just purchasing your wig from CurlyMe, I will have the link to this wig in the description box below, and I will also have CurlyMe's wig links and their website links down below as well. So let's get right into this video so you guys can see how I put this wig on and just make it look so cute, really quick and fast. Yeah. Okay, so this is their 18-inch kinky curly wig. That's what they label it on the site. I will have the links down below. Make sure you guys check it out. So I'm gonna just put it on and show you guys how quick and fast and easy, no glue, for the summertime to get you right. So this is the inside of the wig, if you guys are interested in seeing that. It comes with an adjustable band. There's no combs in here, so you know it's gonna be super comfortable and it's gonna feel good on your head because there's no combs poking you. Let me just put on my wig cap because my braids are looking sickening. I'm just using this little mini edge control because I can't find a big one. And you can see I've been wearing glueless wigs, so my edges grew back. I don't know if you guys can see that. They grew back. I mean, they weren't really gone like that, but you guys know spray and glue really be taking your edges out, so I'm so excited. Oh, and this is also a giveaway, so make sure you guys are commenting down below. You could comment anything. I would like if you guys comment me some pink hearts, or just comment why you missed me. I'm finally posting again, so if you missed me, just tell me why you missed me. Tell me why you guys like my channel, and you'll be entered. It's easy. Even if you comment emoji or just anything, like, you'll be entered into the giveaway. And I will announce the giveaway on my community tab every Friday. So I'm planning to post a video every like 5 days out of the week, and then I'll announce the winners on Friday. So yeah, 5 people are gonna win a wig every week. I'm so excited because I have quite a few wigs to give away for you guys, so this one is a part of the giveaway. So make sure you guys are commenting, and if you don't win this one, just comment on the other videos that I'm going to be posting and you'll be entered into those. My hair does get like frizzy so fast because I literally just washed my hair like the weekend gone and braided it like 3 days ago, and it's already like looking a mess. I'm going to show you how fast you're gonna transform. I want to make it just a little bit tighter, so it has like a bra strap adjustable band right here. I'm gonna put it almost to half, but not half, so like right there. And then I'm gonna put it on. Oh, it's very stretchy. Okay, you could put it past half. I'm putting it all the way to the other side because it's very stretchy. I didn't expect it to be that stretchy. This is how it's looking. I'm not going to cut the lace or anything because the lace is already cut for you. I'm just going to show you how I would style it. Okay, so I pull it down on my forehead like that. And look how that's melted. That's with me not doing nothing, not fluffing it out, not doing anything. This is how the wig is looking. Okay, I want to, hold on, let me put my chair up. I want to define the part a bit better. So I'm going to just part it down the middle Looks like the middle to me. I'm gonna take a little bit of hair just out of the front so I could give it more of a natural look. If you want, you don't have to do this, but I want to do this to give the wig more of like a natural kind of I just woke up type of look. So I'm just pulling a little bit out. I'm gonna use my scissors to cut it down. I'm gonna use some mousse to do the edges, just a little bit. I'm putting it back here first, and then I'm gonna use excess to kind of do the edges. Okay, that looks good to me. I like how it looks. If you don't like edges, you don't have to do that, but I like how it looks. So now I'm gonna put some mousse at the top of the hair and just kind of use my hands to flatten it down. I'm gonna brush this back. I'm gonna go ahead and fix the part with some powder. I'm just using like a concealing type of powder. I want to put some of this at the front because I feel like the front is a little too frizzy. Okay, and then this is how the ends is looking. So I want to turn around. I am 5'2½", and this is where the wig stops on me. I feel like this is a really nice wig just to like grab and go. This is how the lace is looking. Okay guys, so you already know me and you know that I like to be extra. So I'm gonna just tweak the wig a little bit. This is just it standard out of the package, but I want to make it nice and customized. So whoever wins this wig, you'll just love it. Okay, so I'm gonna just take out a little bit more edges right here. I like it better already. I'm going to use a hot comb and flatten down the root area right here. While my hot comb is getting hot, I'm gonna cut the random pieces that's a little bit too long because I want it to look a little bit more put together. So anything that's a little bit out of whack, like right here, I'm just gonna cut it. That looks 10 times better. 10 times better. On this side too, I'm just going to cut. Yeah, it looks so much better. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and flatten down the roots. And I want the hair to be big, but I also want it to be defined. So I'm going to take out some random pieces from the top and just put some mousse on it so it's not too like looking a mess. Okay, it's still put together, but it's not like a wet look because I'm not going for a wet look. That looks so good. That looks so good. And then I'm going to do it to this side. Just kind of put it on the top so it's taming the frizz, but it's not making it flat. It's not making the hair flat. Okay, I'm gonna wait for it to dry just a little bit and then I'll come back. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. This is how the wig turned out. If you guys like it, don't forget to check out CurlyMe hair. I do have the links in my description box below so you guys can check them out. And if you guys are interested in winning this specific wig, make sure you leave me a comment down below. Make sure you guys like this video, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't win this giveaway, stay tuned to my next video. That's going to be a giveaway as well. I'm going to be having my wig sale in 2 weeks. So check my Instagram, Mommy is Tropic, for any updates on my story. And yeah, I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye!